Okay, guys, we're going to be doing the dumbbell Zottman curls. So this is a cool exercise. What it's going to do, it's going to work on your brachialis. What that does, it's going to pop up your bicep. So it makes your biceps look bigger than they really are. So it's a really cool exercise, all right? So you're going to grab your dumbbells. This time you're going to have your palms facing you. Okay, you're going to go up. Right about a little higher than 90 degrees, you're going to twist all the way, squeeze, twist back, and then go down. Okay? Same from this angle. Up. Twist, squeeze, back down. Same thing here. You're gonna squeeze. Okay, then 3 seconds on the way down. 1, 2, 3. And if you want, flex the triceps, get the full extension. Up, twist, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. That's the Zottman curl.